My name is Matt Pepsel, and I'm the VP of Product at the Predictive Index. We're a workforce assessment company based in Westwood, Massachusetts. I run product there, which means it's a combination of our scientific assessments, our software platform, as well as our workshops that we give all over the world. We really look at Pendo as one piece of a broader puzzle, and so we've done a lot of integrations with Pendo. We've connected it to tools like Domo and Salesforce, and it really helps us tell an important part of a really big story. And so one of the things we've been really pleased with recently, for example, is we've produced surveys through Pendo. And what we'll do with a survey from Pendo is we'll collect information about the user, maybe their industry, for example. And then we use Zapier to connect that to Salesforce. So in a kind of an unexpected way, we're using Pendo and its ease of use and its in-app experience to help us keep our data clean. And that helps us serve clients better in the long run. We've learned that our customers are very different, and so the way they use the application might be very specific to either their maturity with their own processes and how they use products like ours. It could be based on the size of organization, and it's very difficult to develop a single product that has to be applied in so many different situations. We have customers who are in mining and fishery, some that are native on digital platforms, and everywhere in between. So it really helps us understand by cohort who's having which types of experience and what do we do to make sure we can help them be successful. I don't know if they notice how much it's changing how they're interacting with the software, but it's pretty amazing. When we understand where customers are going in the application, where they might be getting stuck, that helps us produce a better product. But sometimes we're more overt about it. We'll collect their feedback directly from within Pendo. We use that information in a Zapier integration with Slack so that our product team is aware whenever someone shares feedback about prototypes and experimental versions of the product. And we can also wire that up to our Salesforce implementation so that we can circle back with those clients who may have had a great idea. We want to tell them when we put it into the product. I think it's made me more aware of all the different types of information we have and how to synthesize all that data to really tell the story of what's going on with customers. And so, for example, before when we just had raw, almost like click-through metrics, they were kind of in isolation. And now we understand there's a broader experience to be had. And Pendo helps us help us better understand the experience we're trying to deliver, how well we're delivering it, and what we can do better about it in the future. Pendo's a lot of fun. I tell you, I think it's always exciting to say, what are we going to find out next? And so if we launch a new feature, we're just excited about who's using it, who's not using it, who's coming back to use it again and again. Before we just had nothing but blindness, and now we can ask really interesting questions, and we actually have a shot at getting the answer. So that's one of the greatest things that we like about Pendo.